With iLink, you can safely measure excavation depth in real time on your smartphone. It's simple, fast, affordable, and highly accurate. Here's a quick look at how it works. After entering your credentials, you will be brought to the home screen, where you can manage the data you need to start measuring your excavation. To begin measuring the excavation depth, you must choose a machine, a bucket, some iLink devices, and the type of excavation. First, start by entering your first machine. To add a new machine, press the machine button at the top left. You will reach a screen where you can create new machines, select them, and modify their information. Then press Add New Machine. Enter a name for your machine. Select the type of excavator you're using. Once you've entered a name and the type of machine, press the Continue button. Now you can add the measurements related to the machine. Make sure these are accurate. If they're not, it'll impact the depth and length of the excavation. All lengths must be entered in centimeters. Length AB is the length of the lifting arm. Measure the distance between the two ends of the lifting arm using the two centers of the pins of the arm as the starting and ending points. Length BC is for the penetrating arm. Measure the distance between the two ends of the penetrating arm. Again, use the two centers of the ends of the arm as the starting and ending points. Length A0 identifies the distance from point A to point 0, or to the ground. Point A is the center of the lifting arm's pivot. Point 0 is the point on the ground, the base of the plane on which the excavator rests. Once you add the measurements, select Confirm. Congratulations, you've created your first machine. Now choose it by clicking Select. Next, click the arrow at the top left to go back to the home screen. Make sure you see the green check mark in the box of the selected machine. That confirms you've chosen the right machine. On to the second step, inserting your first bucket. To insert a new bucket, press the bucket button at the top right. You'll come to a screen where you can create new buckets. Select them and modify their settings. Now, press the Add New Bucket button. Give your bucket a name. Length AB is the height of the bucket, using point A as the end pivot of the penetrating arm. BC is the width of the bucket. Now, you've created your first bucket. Next, click the arrow at the top left to go back to the home screen. Just like you did earlier with the machine, make sure you see the green check mark in the box of the selected bucket. Step 3. Click on the iLink button and choose the iLink device you'll be using on your machine. We'll show you how to position 3 sensors on a monolithic excavator. Take the iLink 1 and place it on the lifting arm. Make sure the arrow on the casing points toward the bucket. Position the iLink 2 on the penetrating arm, with the arrow pointing up. Place the iLink 3 at any point on the bucket, with the arrow pointing outward. After selecting the iLink, click the arrow at the top left to go back to the home screen. Once again, look for that green check mark in the box of the selected iLink. Step 4. Select the type of excavation. Click on the excavation button and pick the type of excavation you're performing. In this case, we'll go with standard excavation. Use that top left arrow again to go back to the main home screen. When you have all 4 buttons selected, Machine, Bucket, iLink and Excavation, you're ready to start measuring. Press the Start button and turn on all the iLink devices you've attached to the excavator. To turn on an iLink device, just push the black button on the casing. You'll hear a startup sound and the light on the casing will start flashing. To make sure the iLink has been turned on correctly and the connection has been made, look for a green tick next to each device on the upside. When all the sensors are activated, click Confirm to start the calibration phase. Then select the type of system calibration. Proper calibration is critical for accurate measurements. Now align the bucket and the penetrating arm perpendicular to the ground. It should create a straight line, like the one illustrated on the app and here in the video. After verifying this step, click Confirm. Then you'll see the basic calibration screen, which will be useful for future recalibrations. Finally, select Confirm. On this last screen, you can view your depth and distance of excavation in real time. It's that easy.